empowering you with real advice, no BS from the industry experts. Hi, you're here because you're wondering what Nutrition with Wellness is all about and whether it's the right course for you. Hi, I'm Ben Ting, your host, along with Dr. Savinder and Dr. Serene from the Nutrition with Wellness program at UCSI. What's up, doctors? First question, here we go.
Not entirely. Nutrition is not just about helping people slim down. It is also about living life healthily through good dietary practices and also physical activity. So healthy nutrition is definitely very important. There is always this saying, you are what you eat. Healthy weight is definitely a very important component when it comes to nutrition. It's also for the prevention of chronic diseases such as diabetes, cancer, hypertension, and with obesity on the rise in Malaysia, nutrition helps with the prevention and also to coach people to live a healthy life.
So being a certified nutritionist is important to curb nutrition quackery practice. Now you may ask, what is nutrition quackery? It's basically an act when an unqualified individual offers nutritional and health advice to the population. For example, when you are not well, you would go to the doctor to get your medication. So the same goes, when you need nutritional advice, you should seek a certified nutritionist to guide you to live better. Now, when you look at our recent National Health and Morbidity Survey, we are seeing a rise in obesity and diabetes among the Malaysians. We can see that there is a high need to have more certified nutritionists in the country to guide our population to eat better and live better. So learning the concept of health promotion allows one to guide and educate the public better. At the same time, if you aspire to be a health coach, you are able to serve the population better. In a nutshell, being a nutritionist will not only help you personally, but at the same time, you're able to serve the community and population at large, because in the end, prevention is always better than cure.
Yes! Now you know what Nutrition with Wellness is all about. Hope you're empowered by this video. If you have any questions, dial us up via this hotline. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.